YouTube, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple game in Unity. So the things I have enabled right now is terrain assets, skyboxes, scripts, particles, and character controllers. We're going to be mainly focusing on the first person main controller right here. We'll do a game with the third person soon. So to start off, if you're a beginner, what you want to do is I create a plane and then center it to 0. And to do that, scale it up a little, make it nice. We will not need this camera unless you're doing third person. Okay, so then we wanted to make the scene a little better, so let's add a directional light, raise it up a little, and we can see it here, and here we go. So now we can see it right there. It's a little bright. Let's change it to 0.3. For the terrain, you can leave it as is or add a material if you want, or on this plate. So first you're going to want to click and drag your first person to the scene, raise them up a little, and a note is to do the snapping like this, hold control while moving, and your toolbars up here for rotation and stuff, but you can change them manually with Q, W, E, and R. So once you get your first person controller, you see, hit play. Right now we can look around, we can jump, and just go la da la da da. There's nothing really much here, but just jumping around off the plate. So this is how to quickly make a simple game. To add a skybox, this is one of the ways you can do it. There's 2 ways, I believe. The way I usually do it is I come down to the main camera, and then I type in skybox. You'll see right here. Once you select skybox, go down to your materials, and if you enabled your skybox plugin when you very first start, you'll see these overcast, moonshine, airy skybox, sunny. I usually do sunny too, and then you can see it happen in your game aspect. And then that's how you add a skybox. And let me see. And to add a terrain to the ground, what I would usually do is create a material wherever you want, in a material folder or something. Let's type in grass, and let's change the color to like more of a grassy, and let's add a texture. Just actually don't change the color if you already have a grass texture. So you do that, let's drag that in. Looks pretty good for the most part. Just scale it down by changing the tiling to about 3. And load. Okay, so now as we can see, we got a very, very simple game. We can run around, jump, and that's all you need to do to make a basic game. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. Comment, like, and subscribe.